Japan's economic recovery may be spreading from export-driven growth to the domestic sector. Retail sales rose for a second month in February. Mike Fern is in Tokyo with the very latest. Mike, details.
Well, retail sales up 4.2% compared to a year earlier. That's way better than the Economist consensus forecast, which was 1.6%, and better than January's 2.3% rise. That was the first increase in 17 months. People spending more because they're feeling a bit more secure about the economy. The jobless rate falling to a 10-month low. Wages are still falling, but at the slowest rate in 19 months, so we may see them finally start to creep back up. And employers may also hire more workers and pay bonuses because they're selling more. Overseas exports up 45% last month. Investors also doing better from their investments in Japanese stocks, with the Nikkei up 8% over the last month. With retail sales rising, the picture's a bit split, though. Large retailers still doing very badly. Sales down 4% in February, and in fact they have fallen for 2 straight years. Checking shares of some of Japan's biggest retailers, we have got the Topix Retailer Index up 0.25%, being led higher by Seven & i Holdings, the biggest retailer. It has Denny's, it has Ito-Yokado supermarkets, and of course 7-Eleven. Now that's up 3.6%. Aeon, which is the biggest operator of supermarkets in Japan, down 0.75%. Fast Retailing, which is the biggest clothing operator, which has Uniqlo and some other brands, down by 1.4%. So a mixed picture for the large retailers and the overall picture, and also in the way stocks are moving today. Haslinda, back to you.
Mike, are we convinced about the recovery we're seeing in the Japanese economy? We had Arjuna Mahendran of HSBC coming out to say that, the Japanese economy is still in a dire situation.
Well, this is true. I mean, although retail sales are rising, it's from a very low base. As I said, they've fallen for 7 months, and large retailers for 2 years. The other problem is deflation. Prices continue to fall. That's happened for a year, 12 straight months now. So while retailers may be selling more, the profits they're making on each item is less. The domestic economy isn't strong. People aren't reassured there's a pension when they retire. Wages are still falling, as I said, and capital spending also down. We've got the Tankan out this week, and although economists say that the pessimism is decreasing, still they say that more employers are pessimistic than optimistic about the future, and they probably will cut capital spending in the year that starts April 1st by around 13%. So they're not buying new factory equipment, and they're not, hiring people in their droves at the moment. So still weak on the domestic front, but the export picture looking pretty positive at the moment.
All right, jury's still out. Mike Fern, thank you.